Hey friends, welcome to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and this is the 12 Days of Christmas series that I'm hosting here on YouTube. And we will be putting together 5 different albums. These are albums that I done on my Facebook Lives here a while back, and I had several requests saying, I don't do Facebook, I can't pull a Facebook Live in. So guess what? Your wish was my command. So you guys got your wish. So we're going to be making these because I know some of these would make perfect Christmas gifts for everyone. Okay, so I will be posting videos from Sunday through Friday, and most of the time it will be posted in the mornings. If there's something going on, it may be the afternoon, but I will try and get them posted in the mornings. And it may come down to we may start, I may have to start posting them on Saturdays just so, we can get done before Christmas. And, if there's not much family thing going on, why not? So, the notification bell down below, if you want to be notified when I upload a video, please hit that notification bell. It will notify you every time that I upload a video so you never miss out. Okay, and if you did see these on my Facebook Lives, you may want to keep watching because every album I'm going to do something just a little bit different, okay? Because I don't want them to do exactly, for the most part, yes, they're going to be the same, but there's going to be something different in every one of them. So you may want to, watch along, and you may want to make it, with us, okay? So we're going to be doing the. This is our first album, okay? This is the Echo Park Christmas Folio. The other albums is the Recipe album, the Say Cheese Folio, Expandable Folio album, the Wedding album, and I didn't show that in that last video either. But you can go to my channel and go back in my feed, and it's the Prima Rose Quartz Wedding album. Then there's one that's Simple Stories, Say I Do, or something like that. We're going to be doing that one. And the Hello Summer, it's a soft spine one. Is that it? Was that 5? The Recipe, Expandable, the Christmas, Hello Summer, and the Wedding one. So yeah, 5 albums. So if you haven't seen them, please just go back in my feed and look at them and see what you think if you want to make them. I do have the cutting guide ready to go on the website. It's scrappinitup.com. No G, Scrappin. And I think it's just a little bit down my feed. I have a box there. It says 12 Weeks of Christmas. Click on it and it takes you there, and you'll see the cutting guide. I will be posting the cutting guides when we get ready to do a new album. I'll post it in there, 2 or 3 days before I release, the new album, so you can go in there and get the cutting guides. The cutting guide is a complete cutting guide, and it tells you the supplies that I used to construct the album. And I will, several days in advance, let you guys know, too, what paper lines I'm using. That way, if you want to work right along with me, you can. I will put the affiliate links down below. And these affiliate links will take you to Amazon or scrapbook.com. Yes, I earn maybe enough for a cup of coffee. It's not much, but it is a way to help support the channel, or support my channel. And so yeah, I will put the affiliate links for you down below. You do not pay any more for an item than what you would if you normally had just went to Amazon.com. It's just that I earn just a cup of coffee, for if you went through my link to buy the paper line that like what I'm going to be using. Okay. I think that's it. Oh, something else I want to let you know. I don't edit my videos. So, there may be something that comes out of my mouth that I didn't mean to say, or I've been known to make mistakes right along on the camera. I don't delete it. I don't edit my videos. I roll with it. That's life. Okay. So I just thought I'd let you guys know that up front. I don't edit my videos. Nope. I just roll with it. I make a mistake. I fix it and I go on. Yeah, I may kick myself in the you know what, but that's life, guys. You know. Okay, so I think, let me check my little cheat sheet here, make sure I caught everything. All right, I think we got everything down. So don't forget, guys, to go to scrappinitup.com and you can get your cutting guide. It's Scrappin, not with a G, SCRAPPIN, itup.com. Okay, and there you can get the cutting guide. And if you are watching this and you just don't think you can make that album, but you'd love to have that album, I do sell albums on my website. I don't have a whole lot of them on there yet. I'm in the process right now of getting them on there. So if you see something that you like, you can purchase it. I will be getting the rest of these on here. So that way, it is becoming Christmas time, and, some people do want to purchase, albums instead of making them. So, that's fine too. So just browse around my website. It's a work in progress. I'm still working on it. So, okay. And I found out I can't turn the video around so I can record. So I'm going to have to stop this video and then, upload it, and then I will get so we will see you guys in the next video. I will be posting it right as soon as this one gets done. You'll have the process video right behind it, guys. So okay, we will see you in the next video. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye bye.